Hello guys, meet again with me here. This time we will learn material about electrical material. Okay, what is electricity? Electricity is a flow that is charged with electrons and flowed through a conductor to be useful for everyday human life. If electrical energy reaches electronic devices, it will be converted into other energy so that electronic devices and can function. In addition, in general, electricity is the power that arises due to the friction of chemical process. Electricity itself is divided into two types, namely static electricity and dynamic electricity. You can see on the side that is example of static electricity. Static electricity is an unbalanced electric charge on the surface of an object. However, the electric charge remains until the electric current moves, because it is temporary. In the picture on the side, it is static electricity on specular television can occur due to friction between those attached to the television screen and static electricity electrons generated by the television screen. When you watch television for some time, the television screen can generate a static electric charge. Thus, in the air can be attracted by the positive charge on the television screen, making it build up and appear grainy. In the picture beside it is an example of dynamic electricity. Of course, you have a television remote, right? On the back of the remote, there is a special place for batteries. Take a look at the battery compartment. There are positive and negative marks on the battery compartment. The marks indicate the location of the battery poles. The positive poles of the battery must be aligned with the negative pole of the other battery and vice versa. Now if the placement of the battery is reversed, the remote cannot be asked, "Why is that?" If the poles of the same battery are aligned, there will be no voltage difference in them. As a result, the electric charge cannot flow. To generate dynamic electricity, several components are required, which are as follows: voltage source, resistance, and conductor wire. As you know, dynamic electricity will produce an electric current or flow of electric charge. The amount of charge that flows every second is referred to as the strength of the electric current. Mathematically, how to calculate the electric current strength in dynamic electricity is expressed in the following formula. That was a little explanation on electricity. Hopefully, we can understand electricity in our daily lives and make the best use of it. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.